better and bigger than the ones in Delhi and Bombay. And so thank you so much, both you guys. A lot of work and effort, a lot of energy. District Lake is an exhibition current challenges and future requirements in the distribution sector. It's extremely focused on this.
Narendra Modi ji took a lot of efforts to strengthen the industry in India. That's why only he's make a policy, make in India. And then he's introducing the startups also. He's encouraging the startup. That's why only so many new initiatives put forward. Honorable Prime Minister is all the efforts. We want to improve. We want to support our industries to grow our industries. Only our economy will grow. Not only the economy, our students to involve solve the labor problems also. That is one of the main aim, but our Prime Minister is so many things. That's why only we are introducing the e-vehicle policy. That the world is transforming into the automobile sector also. They are promoting the e-vehicles. That's why only we are forming the e-vehicle policy in India, introducing that. That's why India will transforming each and every sectors. That's why only we want to save the energy also. That is the main aim and thinking. That's why only we are going forward in these directions. In Pondicherry concern, there is a company, Eastern MR. This is long back, this 15 years company in our Pondicherry. This collaboration with the German company. It's a very good company. This is one of the transformers. The manufacturing is there in Pondicherry. But we are also so many initiatives to develop industries in Pondicherry. There are so many incentive schemes, 24/7 electricity we are providing. Our Pondicherry is the electricity surplus state. So only 24/7 electricity we are providing. Not only that the tariff also very low comparatively other states. There is a good environment in Pondicherry, the condition about the industries. Then moreover, we are going to improve our distribution system and then modernization of our electricity. That's why only we are investing 350 crores for loss reductions and modernization. That's why only we are preparing that invest 350 crores in Pondicherry. The schemes also we are initiatives taken on that. Moreover, in this we are the 24/7 in all our region. In Pondicherry is having the 4 regions. Pondicherry, You will usually oppose. Anybody can come and meet me in always. I am in Pondicherry. I am available in Secretariat. In the morning to evening, I am in the Secretariat only. Anybody can directly, you come and meet me. No appointment. Anytime you will come and meet me. We are ready to provide all the facilities to you. Welcome to Pondicherry, Invest Puducherry. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for that very nice invitation. We are truly impressed by your style. You are constantly available to industry. I think industry is very blessed. So loud round of applause for you.